How to master the scumbling technique as a beginner? Discover how scumbling can enhance your artwork by creating varied textures and adding depth. Learn to blend colors smoothly in scumbling by using gentle, circular brushstrokes and slowly building up layers. Overcome common scumbling mistakes like muddy textures by using dry brushes to lift excess paint and blend softly. Incorporate scumbling into different art styles to add realism in landscapes or softness in portraits, enriching your artistic expression. Experiment with advanced scumbling techniques using various tools like sponges and palette knives for unique textures. Master the art of scumbling by practicing different pressure applications and layering techniques to elevate your painting skills. Explore scumbling's potential across art genres, from abstract layers to impressionistic moments, enhancing depth and emotion in your creations.